Are you interested in what movies and good novels and magicians and comedians have in common with clinical hypnosis? If you are, please join me at the annual ASH meeting in Reno, Nevada this year, where I'll be offering an advanced workshop that lets us explore the nature of surprise, disorientation, the unexpected, and ambiguity as they relate to brain function and as they relate to the change that we seek to help our clients to make. We'll be looking at the neuropsychological brain-based background of surprise and disorientation and how clinical hypnosis can make effective use of surprise and the unexpected to promote and facilitate the change that we're working to help our clients to make. Give it a thought. I hope you do even more than that. I hope you sign up, and I hope to see you in Reno. Thanks for listening. Bye-bye.